Hey, I'm Dr. Bowie, owner of TV Highway Chiropractic. This is Dr. Max. Many people are unclear about what it is that we do.
Some people think we crack necks.
Backs, I'll crack your back. Hips,
Hadouken! 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 Yeah!
yeah. Arms, legs, pretty much the entire body.
Some people are scared because they think we're actually cracking their bones.
Yeah.
They also assume it's downright painful.
The truth is, the sound is called a cavitation. It's a release of gas between joints. It's like popping a champagne bottle.
Chiropractic adjustments work by placing your body in the ideal position that allows the body to heal itself.
Yeah. One of the key focuses of chiropractic care is realigning the spine, taking pressure off of sensitive nerves that can cause other problems.
And by doing so, we're able to help treat patients with car accident injury, chronic pain, migraine headaches, sports injuries, herniated discs, insomnia, back, neck, or hip pain, subluxation, sciatica, and the list goes on and on.
So if you like to treat your pain without the use of drugs or surgery, we're offering an amazing special where you can get a consultation, exam, and your first treatment valued at $170 for just $29. Click below, fill out that information so you can get your $29 voucher.
We look forward to releasing the gas from your joints. Not that kind of gas.
This is a message from the Chiropractinator. I'll fix your back. Come and see me now.